In this tutorial, we are building a journey which sends Typeform responses as Slack messages to the user. So let's start. Select Typeform as trigger. Then choose New Response Form as trigger event. Click on Create New Connection. Enter name for the connection and click on Link an Account. Accept the conditions to establish the connection. Select Appropriate Form. Now in steps, we have to send response as a Slack message. Select Slack in Steps. Then choose Send Message to a Channel. Next, enter name for the connection. Then click on Link an Account. You'll see a window. Select Allow to establish the connection. Select channel name from the connection. Type the message to send. Select appropriate fields from Typeform App Data Tree. Then select Yes as we are sending messages via bot. Then click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Typeform. Fill the form with appropriate details. Then click on Submit to submit the form. Next, go to our journey to check journey execution. We can see journey is executed. Now go to Slack. We can see a message has been received in our Slack with a few details of the form response. So, in this way, we can create an automation journey to send Typeform responses to Slack. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.